Hello, my fellow techies. How you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some basic HTML tags that we know. So let's quickly change this title to what should we call it? Okay, basic tags. I'm sure you know how we got here. If you don't know how we got here, go back to the previous video to watch it. So let's dive in immediately. We're going to be doing some things. The first one is a header. So we have from H1 to H6. That's header 1, header 2, header 3, to header 6. And higher the number of the headers, the tinier the where it appears. So let's go. This is what I mean. Okay. Let's just type something here. My name is Chia. Please always remember to save. Let's go live, shall we? So that we've seen everything we're doing here. Okay. So let's just be doing something else. This is header 2. I hope you're doing this with me. Welcome to the channel. Save. Let's do the next one. Page 3. Like I said, we have from header 1 to header 6. So the next thing we're going to be learning is a paragraph tag. Let's quickly do that. We're here. So the paragraph tag is declared by the letter P. Okay, close that. So a paragraph literally puts group of thoughts together. I'm sure we all know what a paragraph is. Let's say, for example, we could say I'm a software engineering student. Okay, I'm a software engineering student. See, puts that together. You can even go to the next line and say I'm learning HTML. Still there, you get still there. So that's basically what a paragraph does. It puts group of thoughts together. Okay, just for the sake of what we're going to learn next, let me just type this. Alright, so okay, the next thing we're going to be learning is how to bold, or how to bold, actually. That's what they call it. So according to the old way that it was done before, how you bold is by declaring the letter B. That's B for bold. Okay, so let me just come here. Let's say I want to bold this is my YouTube channel. I have to this is how I do it. Obviously the closing tag has to come after the sentence. So let's quickly close it. Okay, voila, this is my YouTube channel. So that's the way we both in the olden days. But recently this is how it's done. You use the word strong. Yeah, let's make it strong, shall we? So we use the word strong. I hope you're working with me. Already closed it. still bold. But this is how we're doing now, so let's not go around using the letter B anymore. Now the next thing we're going to be learning is how to emphasize or italize words in your web page. So let's say I want to italize, I'm learning HTML. The old way is just letter I. Okay, you declare the letter I. Really wonder why they don't do this way anymore, but well, like stress, don't we? And then you close it. I'm learning HTML. What is that? Okay. I'm learning HTML. Is italized. Okay. Now look. We use the letter EM. That's emphasize. This is how we're doing now. EM. EM is going to, oh no, I need to do this. He's always doing this. Let's save. Did I refresh? Oh, I did. So as you can see, it's the same thing, but this is exactly how you're supposed to do it now. So let's now go around using the letter B for bold and I for italize. Let's use emphasize and strong. Okay, so there's one more thing we're going to learn just for the sake of this video, because I want the videos to be short so everybody will be working at the same time. There's what they call break, BR. You use it if you want to break sentence. Could be you want to give maybe when you're doing a form or a form mostly, then maybe you want to add spaces to them. We're going to get to that very soon, real soon actually. So let's just use this sentence. Let's just use this sentence. Let's say I want to break this. I'm learning HTML from, this is my YouTube channel. We use it, we just say BR. There is no closing tag, by the way. Okay, this is exactly what happens. This is my YouTube channel. Breaks is no longer in the same sentence, even though it's in a paragraph. So BR breaks it. They are not always about it. So this is where we're going to end this video. On the next one, we're going to be learning a few other things on the basic HTML before we move to the next one. The next one is going to be lists. As you can see it here already, this is what we're going to be talking about.